Whoa, was down with y'all? It's your boy C.E.O. for life. Y'all already know how I'm coming out here, you heard me? That sound rocking, that sound rolling out here, you heard me? Y'all already know what the business is. And today, I'm gonna show y'all how I made the beat for my song Shakeback off my album Back Outside in the City, you heard me? One of the best songs off the album, you heard me? Alright, let's go. Okay, so the first thing what I did was I just went through a whole bunch of kits, you heard me? And I fucked around and came across to this shit. Make sure it's stepper shit, you heard me? And once I switched the melody of the one shot, this how this bitch sound. Watch this. Okay, second, I went through the Jubby Beats pack of the Pressure Go To, and I fucked around and came through this BG Represent, you heard me? And this how this motherfucker sound through half of the whole song. Watch this. Third, I added this brass off the one shot of the pack. Check this. Okay, number four. When I tell y'all, I was struggling to really see which Wassam I'm gonna use for this beat. I was going through a whole different Wassam, and then I fucked around and came across through this shit right here. And when I put this motherfucker right here, man, it went through the whole, well, half of the fucking song. If y'all really listen to Shakeback really closely. So this how this motherfucker sound. Check this shit. Okay, number five. I went across another kit that I also have. It's another Louisiana kit. If y'all producers probably got it or not. It's this kit called the Millionaire Desk Kit. And I was going through a whole bunch of sounds. I was going through like Cash Money sounds, Mouse, Q Red, Be Real, all that shit, you heard me? And then I fucked around and came across this sound right here in the pack. And when y'all listening closely to Shakeback, when y'all listen to it very closely, y'all gonna be hearing this melody through the whole sound of the beat. So this how this motherfucker sound of the melody. Watch this. All right, number six. I went through a couple more sounds in the Jubby pack. And I fucked around and came across this car crash sound effect right here. So watch this. All right, number seven. This sound right here, man, let me tell y'all something. If y'all really true fans of me, of my beats, and some of the music I do, when I use them G minor beats, brother, I do not play when it comes to this sound. When I say this shit really done something to me, that sound really done something to me back in 2023 when I started really finding my own sound of Louisiana. You heard me? So I had to put that harp in that motherfucker. Watch this. All right, number seven. Y'all know I had to put that murder business on that bitch. Cause man, the melody was getting so catchy and everything while I was making the melody. I said, you know what? Let me fuck around and get this sound right here and put it in the melody. And it became 10 times more better in the melody. So yeah, check this. All right, number eight. I went through another sound in the Jubby pack, you heard me? And I fucked around and came through this sound right here in the one shot. And I always use this one shot in all my Louisiana beats. Not all of them, some of them. But mostly all of them. If y'all listen closer to some of my beats and shit that I be posting on YouTube, and half of the music that I use of my beats on my albums, you heard me? So I fucked around and used this one shot for the beat. And it go through the whole song. Watch this. All right, number 9. Y'all know I had to put that mystical Volks on there. I had to put that mystical Volks on that bitch, you heard me? When it come to my Louisiana beats, let me tell y'all something. I don't fuck around when it come to my Louisiana shit, you heard me? And it's coming from a Louisiana nigga like me, you heard me? That know about the sound, all that. For real. So when I dragged this motherfucker in that motherfucker in the way it was going, man, y'all peep this shit out. All right, number 10. Y'all know I had to put that for real on that bitch. I had to, brother. I had to put him on there. I was like, the way it was going, I was like, yeah, I gotta have it something like, give me that. You heard me? So this how it sound. Watch this. All right, number 11. Y'all know I had to put the hot boy sound effect on that bitch. And the way it sounded and the way it was going, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It carried like the whole melody when I was making the melody. Like once I put that bitch on there and I stressed it and did what I was supposed to do, I said, oh yeah, this is it. It's a wrap. So this how it sound. All right, number 12. I wanted the melody to really sound very good. So I was just bored and I was just going through acapellas on YouTube trying to see which one I could really use. And then I fucked around and came through Hurricane Chris, the hand clap. And then I just took that one part. He was like, bump, 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 bump. Just took that one part and slowed it down a little bit so it could fit with the BPM. And this how it sound. Watch this. All right, number 13. I had to put the 2 Vox to start the beat off. Like once y'all hear Shakeback and once y'all hear these 2 Vox before the beat come on, it just set the song off all together. Once this come on, watch this. All right, now this how the melody sound all together without the drums. Watch this. All right, now when it come to my drums right here, if y'all really true fans of listening to my Louisiana beats, before I start a BRB, I always like to have the bass to sound like this when it come like the new generation of BR. Even though I ain't from BR, I'm from New Orleans, you heard me? You know how the BRB sounds, so I had to fuck around and do it to the new generation of BR. So check this out. And I did it along with the cymbal too. Copy and pasted. And this how it sound along with it too. Now when you listen to the drums and the cymbal, this how it sound all together. Watch this. And I also did the same thing with this drum pattern too. Watch this. All right, y'all. Hear how this bitch sound right here for Shakeback. And now for the moment of truth. Let's go.
Ooh, C.E.O. make the the one right here.
Alright, so y'all finally got to saw how I really made the beat for my song Shakeback off my album Back Outside in the City, you heard me? Y'all want more beat tutorials of how I made some beats off the album and more beat tutorials that I be doing? Y'all let a nigga know in the comments because I ain't made tutorials in a hot minute, you heard me? Other than that, I catch y'all on the next one. Until then, love, peace by your boy C.E.O. for life. I'm out this bitch, you heard me? Gang.